and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn and my channel's name is My Randomly Organized Life. Just like the title of the video, today I'm going to be sharing with you what I got in my most recent Rocksbox. You will notice a different background again. I'm kind of trying out different rooms to record in. This one is my daughter Bella's room. We just redid her room. It's not 100% done. But this is her bedding and I really like it. This is exactly the bedding I would have gotten when I was her age. So I love it. She wants to kind of do a mermaid theme. So we're going to look for some mermaid like pictures to go on the wall and things like that to match this bedspread. So this was kind of her inspiration for her big girl room. She no longer has to share a bedroom with her sister, which she's super happy about. But then Brooklyn's room will be next, hopefully done by the end of April for her birthday. So this was done before Bella's birthday, so it's kind of, you know, aligned with their birthdays and everything. So I thought that was really cool. We'll go ahead and get started sharing everything from my Rocksbox with you. Again, it always comes in this cute little gray box with the little pink bow. And then inside are 3 pieces. And also inside is this little card that they send. And it just kind of gives a breakdown. Here, I'll hold it so it's easier to see. Just gives a breakdown of the items. I have a hard time focusing. There we go. Just the items that you get and then the price if you decide to purchase them, and then showing your monthly credit and any discounts on there. Like if you buy all 3, you do get a discount of $10. So I like that they include this in there. It just kind of gives you an overview of everything that you get. And if you've watched my other Rocksbox videos before, you know that I typically get 2 earrings and a necklace, which is totally fine. Those are the types of jewelry items I wear the most. I'm not big on bracelets. I rarely wear rings other than my wedding ring and my other ring that my husband got me with my birthstone in it. So those are typically the only rings I wear. I feel like with as a mom of young children, jewelry sometimes just gets in the way for me. So I kind of try to keep it simple. If I do anything, I usually just do earrings and a necklace. So that's why I typically get 2 earrings and a necklace. So the first necklace up is from Sophie Harper. This is the Black Heart pendant. So it's a gold chain and then a black heart with gold outline. Sorry, it keeps trying to focus on my face. So this one I really like. It's very simple. And I am very much a black and gray person, so the black heart I think is perfect for me. So I'm gonna put it on here just to show you the length and everything. And I believe you can adjust it to different lengths. So this is perfect. I really like this one. And I feel like it would match a lot of different tops and dresses or anything like that. And this is the longest adjustment, and you could shorten it a little bit depending on the cut of your neckline for your shirt and stuff. So I really like this one. I might get this one. I don't know. It depends. I have so much jewelry already, which is why I like Rocksbox, because I can kind of rotate things out and not, you know, just have so many items that I'm never going to be able to wear them all. So next up are these earrings from Slate. They're almost like a oval hoop, but then on the front side are these like black gems or black diamonds. Oh, it's not focusing, you guys. Oh, let's try the other one. There we go. So it just has those very simple black gems or diamonds in there. So I'll go ahead and put these on and show you what they look like. Okay, so this is what these ones look like. I really like them. They're very lightweight. They're not as light as I expected, or they're lighter than I expected. But I'll get closer here to show you kind of like what they look like up close. This is not wanting to focus very well, you guys. Oh, there we go. That one did. And for some reason, my ears are like bright red. But anyway, this is what the earrings look like. It's kind of like I said, an pointed oval hoop, I guess might be a way to describe it. But I really like them. Again, they're black and silver, so they would go with a lot of different tops and dresses and things like that. So versatility is definitely something I look for in a piece of jewelry, so I really do like these ones. All right, so the last set of earrings up are from Kate Spade. And they are these dangly ones here. I don't remember the name. French wire drops in green is what my sheet says. But these are really pretty, perfect for like summer and stuff like that. I feel like the colors they remind me of the ocean a lot. Man, I am really having a hard time focusing today. All right, well, I'm gonna put them on and show you what they look like on my ears. Okay, so here's what these ones look like at a distance. You can see the green really pop. I really, really like these ones. I feel like they're perfect for a lot of the tops that I wear. But here's what they look like up close. So you can just see them there. They are gold, and I do think that they come in silver as well. A lot of their earrings, they have a lot of different options. Like they come in different metals, typically gold and silver, but I believe they have a lot of rose gold as well. Another one that I really like is like the gunmetal, the really dark, not black, but like a dark gray charcoal color for the metal. I really like that too. I don't know if they have that for Rocksbox much, but these ones I really like, and I, again, think they would match a lot of the different tops that I have, just because I am more of a, like, teals and blues are, like, my go-to colors. I also like purple a lot, so I think this color would go well with purple. I feel like I'm very matchy with Bella's bedspread today. So, but those are my favorite colors, so that's no surprise. All right, you guys, that is everything from my Rocksbox this month. And I really love all three items. Typically, I like all three items, but there's usually one that I'm just not completely sold on. But these three, I really like every single one of them. I could definitely see myself wearing them a lot. So definitely a good hit for me. I will definitely be rating these ones with 5 stars and everything when I review my set. But I can't wait to wear these throughout the month and the weeks ahead and everything. So if you liked this video, definitely give it a thumbs up before you go. Please consider subscribing as well so you can join our YouTube family. Don't forget to hit that bell notification as well so you are notified when I upload a new video. My upload schedule has been all over the place lately. We've been super busy, so it hasn't been consistent, which I apologize for. I am trying to be more consistent and film videos in bulk so that I have them ready to go in case something happens. We've just had a ton going on lately, so I haven't been able to do that, but that is what I'm planning to do. So again, apologize. But the good thing is if you have that bell notification on, you'll know exactly when I upload a video as well. So I think you can opt in to get an email or just some kind of notification if you have the app on your phone or something like that. But definitely hit that bell notification so you are notified. And if you have any questions or anything, please leave those in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And that's it, guys. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.